Hello again. Today I want to try another plastic wrap reverse dip, but instead of using the regular plastic wrap I'm going to be trying cellophane pieces to lift and see how well those work. And I'm also going to split them, so because of the size of my canvas, it's bigger than what I normally use. I'm going to do the two separate halves and see what I can make from that. My colours today, I have got a couple of new ones which I managed to get on special here in a shop in town. I've got the Liquitex matte in phthalo green. I have got the Liquitex matte in cadmium red. I have made up my own mix of 2 parts Art Ranger Gold to 1 part Reno Art Copper mixed in with my pouring medium. And I have got some yellow, which of course is Reno Art as well. And I'm just going to make a pattern on my canvas, which I've already put titanium white, Reno Art titanium white paint on my canvas ready to go. That's me finished fiddling with the colours. Yeah, they're certainly different ones. I always get quite excited about what I'm going to create, even if it doesn't come out looking like a masterpiece. It's in the fun of doing it. And so now I'm going to get my pieces of cellophane to put onto the picture. As you can see, my cellophane is a little on the crinkled side. It came around a bunch of flowers at Christmas time, so I saved the flattest bits from it that I could, because I knew that I would want to try using the cellophane on a reverse dip. So I've got a few more pieces of it yet, so I'm really hoping that this isn't too much of a disaster, because the crinkles really don't help the air bubbles to come out. I'll just get one of my paper napkins to pop the cellophane wrap onto as I lift it from the canvas. Try not to be too messy with it. I'm just going to wish myself good luck and lift the cellophane off. Noticed a wee problem there where I didn't lift properly, and I'm just going to get my little toy and blow that in slightly because it didn't lift properly. I had better stop right there, otherwise I'm going to spoil it. Ah, right, well that didn't quite work as I'd hoped though. I'll try it again. Right, I'm going to leave it like that, otherwise I know I'm just going to make it worse. So now I've learned that I really need to be lifting dead from the centre as quickly as I can, because otherwise it just rolls, the cellophane rolls. It's too stiff not to do that. So now I will take the piece of cellophane off the other side and see what I get on this side. Oh dear, pulled it too quickly this time. Gosh, I'm having some fun with this. I've got a swirly streaky bit there, so I'm going to just white cover it. Down a little that way. See if I can push that piece there down in that direction a little. I don't want all of it to move. I can see that that's moving as well, but I do want some of it to move down in that direction. Of course, it means all the picture is slowly moving, but that's probably not a bad thing. Okay, well, it's not as excruciatingly hideous as I expected it to be when I started having problems with the cellophane, but now those extra pieces of cellophane I kept for this I will be using for something else, as I have discovered it's just too stiff to use on something like this. You really need the softer wrap to do a good job. So I'll keep experimenting with this. I actually quite like this one. It's not brilliant, but the colours are really, really pretty. And it's my first attempt at doing a double one, rather than just trying for one single piece on a larger. So at least I know that is workable. It just needs practice. And of course, as what has happened to me in the past, a lot of the white has lifted as well. And so it's got that white ripple effect. So that's something else that I'm going to have to work on. But overall, I know what the colour styles are now. The red and the green in there has blended quite well. And of course the red and the green in there looks really, really Christmassy. On a smaller canvas like that, that would be very, very pretty. And where I repaired it hasn't done too badly by tilting. Okay, well, that's it for me for now. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.